Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how to cube any two-digit number mentally fast. Okay guys, so as you see here, this is the formula that we're going to use to cube the numbers. The formula is a cubed with 3 zeros plus 3a squared b with 2 zeros plus 3ab squared with 1 zero plus b cubed. Now let's take a look at our first example. Now our first example is 47 cubed. And here a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 7. Let's write that down here. A is equal to 4 and b is equal to 7. Now let's take a look at the first part of our formula. A cubed with 3 zeros. Since a here is equal to 4, so what we're going to do is 4 cubed. 4 cubed is just 64, and I'm going to write 3 zeros after that. So we have 64, 3 zeros. So that gives us 64,000. Now for our next part, we have 3a squared b with 2 zeros. Now, 3a, now we have 3a squared b. So, we're going to multiply 3 with these two, so we're going to just write 3 times a squared is just 4 squared, which is 16. Or, we can write it for our youngers. 4 times 4 times b is 7. So, 4 times 4, we can just write this as 16. So we have 3 times 16 times 7. 3 times 16 times 7 is equal to, so 3 times 16 times 7 is equal to 336, and we're going to add 2 zeros at the end. So 336, 2 zeros. Now, the next part of our formula is 3ab squared with 1 zero. So we're going to write 3 times a, which is 4, times 7 squared. 7 squared is 49. So 3 times 4 times 49 is 588 with the zero. So the answer is 588 plus 1 zero. So 588 add a 0. And now the last part is b cubed. Here b is 7. So 7 cubed is 343. So now we have 64,000 plus 33,600 plus 5,880 plus 334 is equal to 103,823. 103,823. So there you have it. 47 cubed is 103,823. Now let's take a look at our second example. Okay guys, so now let's take a look at our second example, 64 cubed. Here, a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 4. So, first part of the formula is a cubed with 3 zeros. Now 6 cubed is 216, and we're going to add 3 zeros after that. 216, 3 zeros. That gives us 216,000. Next is 3a squared b. 2 zeros after it. Now, 3 times a squared, which is 6. 6 squared is 36 times b, which is 4. 3 times 36 times 4 is 432 plus 2 zeros after. So we're going to write 432 and 2 zeros. Now the next part is 3ab squared with a 0 after. So 3 times a, which is 6, times b squared, which is 4. 4 squared is 16. So 3 times 6 times 16 is 288 plus an extra 0. So we're going to write 288 plus 0. And the last part is b cubed, which in this case 4 cubed is just 64. So now we have 216,000 plus 216,000 plus 43,200 plus 2,880 plus 64, which is 262,144. 262,144. So there you have it. 64 cubed is equal to 262,144. Now let's take a look at one final example. Alright guys, here is our final example, 72 cubed. So let's look at the first part. It is a cubed. A in this case is equal to 7 and b is equal to 2. So in this case 7 cubed is 343 plus 3 zeros after, which would be 343,000 plus. Next we have 3a squared b with 2 zeros, which is 3 times a squared, which is 7. 7 squared is 49, plus b, which is 2. Sorry, times b. 3 times 49 times 2 is 254. So 254 and 2 zeros. Plus. Next is 3ab squared. Alright guys, so the next is 3ab squared with 1 0. So here we have 3 times a, which is 7, times b squared, which is 2, and 2 squared is 4. So 3 times 7 times 4 is 84 with a 0. 4 with a 0. Plus, the last one is b cubed. In this case, that's 2. 2 cubed is 8. And so our answer will be 343,000 plus 25,400 plus 840 plus 8, which is 369,248. So 72 squared is equal to 369,248. Now let's move on to some practice problems. Alright guys, here are the practice problems for you. Try to figure out what 85 cubed is, 26 cubed is, 97 cubed is, 33 cubed is, and 51 cubed. Remember, A is all the tens places and B is the ones places. Comment your answers down in the comment section below. And make sure you like and subscribe to be notified whenever I upload a new video.